Right, this is the second part of log properties of logs 3.3. Okay, in this section you will rewrite logarithms with different bases, change of base, use properties of logs to evaluate or rewrite log expressions, and then you're going to condense and expand log expressions. Alright, on this one I'm going to do this. We're going to evaluate using the change of base, and then you're going to do these two. Alright, so here we go. Change of base is just log of some kind of log. Well, I'm going to use common log because I'm going to put this in my calculator. This will be 4 over the log of 7. Make sure the base goes in the denominator and the one that's up here goes in the numerator. And then using my calculator, I'll finish this off as log of 4 over the log of 7. And that gives me 0.712. And the directions say 3 decimal places. Okay, you do these two, pause it for a second, finish them, come back and look at it. Okay? Alright, what I got was -2 log 64, putting this in my calculator. I get -2. And for this one, I get .637 rounded to 3 decimal places. Okay. All right. Moving on. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to do these 3 and you're going to do these 3. We're going to now expand. Expand, the property is when it's multiply, you're going to take those logs and you're going to separate them. So you're going to separate it right here where the multiplication is, and then you're going to split off the logs. So this is a log, common log of 8 plus the common log of z. On this one, you get the it's division, so it's going to be subtraction. So you get common log of y minus the common log of 2. And first, I'm going to rewrite this as m to the 1/3, and then I'm going to put that in the front. So this is going to be 1/3 natural log of m. Okay, you do these 3, pause it, come back and look at it. Alright, so you've finished these 3, so let's look at this. I'm going to expand, so this will be the common log of 4 plus the common log of x. And this one is the common log of 2 plus the common log of x minus the common log of y. Everywhere where you have it multiply and divide, you have to take it apart. And this one will just be 1/2 natural log of 5. Okay, great. Alright, I'm going to do these 3, you're going to do these 3. And now we're going to condense. And when we're condensing, you're only allowed to use one single log in your answer. Okay, I got people that use more than one log. That means they haven't really finished the problem. So when you're condensing, your answer only can have one log symbol in it. So this is addition, so I'm going to combine it with a multiplication. Ah. Log base 5, and since this is subtraction, this will be division. And I'm going to move the exponent onto the 7 and the exponent on there, and since this is addition, I'm going to multiply. So this is the natural log of 7 squared y to the 5th. Okay, you do these three and then check your work. Okay, so this is 10x over 5. This is log base 10. This is addition. This is subtraction. So this is multiplication and this is division. And make sure you move that 2 as an exponent. So this will be 6a over b squared. That. Now let's just say we just move this and we make this a plus a negative. See if this makes sense to you. Okay, if we use this and we make a plus a negative, so that means this is all multiplication, so I'm going to multiply this out as log 6 times a times b to the negative 2, because I would take this as the exponent and put that on the b. Well, these two are the same expressions because we know that that little negative sign is not really a negative, it's a little flag saying, hey, I'm in the wrong place. Move me down to the denominator. So it's going to actually look the same. Okay? By that analogy, we can say this is a plus negative 2. The negative 2 is my exponent, right? So this will be natural log of x the 5th times y to the negative 2. The negative 2 tells you to move the y to the denominator, and that will be x the 5th y squared, like that. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, let me scan through this. Okay, now we have a longer one to do. I'm going to condense this longer one, and then you're going to do this one. So first, I'm going to start within the brackets or the parentheses, and this is a log of m plus 3 minus, so this is a division now, so I'm going to rewrite this as natural log of m plus 3. This is going to be division. Okay, and then this 1/2 is an exponent on here, on this whole thing, right? That's what the parentheses is for, on that whole thing. So that'll just be the square root. That's what the half exponent means. And I'm going to multiply it by 2x, or I mean not 2x, x squared, and then that actually has to go in here, so I'm going to have to move this back a little bit to fit that in there, and I'm going to have this be x squared and all of this. Okay, very good. Now you do this one. Okay, hope you finish that. I'm going to do the same thing here. Now this time it's going to be m minus 1 times n minus 3, and then this is going to be the square root. All of that's going to be divided by x squared. How's that? Very good. Okay. Alright, so this is a Google form. You'll need this part of the video to do the Google form because I wasn't able to do all these notations on the Google form itself. Some of them are going to get kind of strange looking. So on this one you're going to expand. Number 2, you're going to expand. Number 3, you're going to expand. And then number 4, you're going to condense. Number 5, condense. Number 6, condense. Okay, that's it. Try to keep this one short. All right.